Can you use a Fender and Struts on a bike that's not hardtailed? Yes, you can. You can mount the Fender to the swing arm with struts, no problem. That's not the issue. I don't recommend running a sissy bar if you have a full suspension swing arm though, because what's going to happen is the sissy bar is going to be like this all the time. That's really fucking weird and annoying. You watch somebody on the road who's got a sissy bar on their swing arm, they're going over bumps and the sissy bar is just doing this. You can't strap anything to it. It's useless because it's just shaking like that. And basically what happens is it turns the sissy bar into a tuning fork and it ends up cracking the welds via vibration eventually. So it's just super doofy. I would avoid it at all costs. But using struts with the Fender on a full suspension swing arm, yes, you can do that. Absolutely.